Hello everyone, today we will learn how to merge a sorted array program. So basically it is a process of combining two or more sorted array into a single sorted array. And okay, so let's get started. I have already created one merge sorted class. So first thing we will do it here, we will write two sorted array here. So for that we will take one array, integer array, array1, and another integer array, array2, and both should be sorted. Now third array which is required is like integer merged array, and this array will hold the combined element of array1 and array2. Its a size is the sum of length of two input arrays. Then we need some index variables as well, so use at least three integer variables like I, j and k. I equals to 0, j equals to 0 and k equals to 0. After that we will start the merging process, and for that we need a while loop which will compare both the arrays. Actually it compares the current element of array1 and array2. So if array1 is less than or equal to array2, which contain j, and array1 contain I, then element is added to merged array and both I and k are incremented. And if array2 j is smaller, then it is added to merged array and both j and k are incremented. So this is our main merging process. Oh, by mistake I have mentioned I, make it k++, then I++. Yeah, that is correct. Now else condition. Array2, then j++. Okay, now that part is done. Now next thing is required, we need two more while loop, and we are required these two loop to append remaining element. So after first loop, if there are any remaining element in either array1 or array2, then they are appended to this merged array which we have created. So for that we need these two loops. I forgot to, okay, that's a mistake. In first one we have to mention array 1 and in second array 2. Yeah, J++. And finally we need to print in console this merged sorted array. So just write merged sorted array is in quotes, then plus string string dot join in bracket common in braces, provide some space, then comma, then merged array. That's it. Our program is complete. Save it, and now yeah, this is completed. Now we will run it. See, now it is showing the exact sequence. See, in first array what the values we have, in second array, and this is our merged array. Oh, okay, yeah, and at the end it is showing double 11. Okay, by mistake I have added 11 two times, so make it 12. Now try to execute it again. See, now 1 to 12. This is showing all the details in a sequence and inside our merged sorted array. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.